Hello, I'd like us to have a conversation real quick. Now, your first home is less likely to be your dream home, and I need you to put this at the back of your mind, okay, when you're deciding to buy or build your first house. And the reasons are very simple. I'll give you everything, so do well to stay through to the end of the video. Now, the first reason has to do with budget constraints. For the most part of it, when we are buying or building our first homes, we often do not even have enough money for it. You're doing it on a very tight budget. And when you have a tight budget, what this means is that you're forced to make tough choices, make compromises here and there. So if you're like me, who loves bigger kitchens, if it's your first home, you're less likely to be able to fulfill that because you're working with a very tight budget. So your first home might not have everything you've ever wanted, and it's completely normal. Remember, it's your starter home, it's not your dream home. And even though you might be forced to make these tough compromises, it's all part of the home ownership. So think of it as the first step on the ladder of home ownership. As you grow, definitely your finances will improve. Then you can upgrade to your dream home. So please, don't stress if your first home isn't perfect. Remember, it's a journey, it's a process. Definitely you get to your dream home. Again, your first home is less likely to be your dream home because we have changing needs. Reflect back to your early 20s, okay, when all you needed was just a cute little place where you could have your late night dinners with your friends, late night pizzas, enjoy your late night movies. But as you grow, okay, things change. Maybe you've settled down, you started a family, or you've landed a job that requires you to commute over a longer distance. Suddenly, what used to work for you in your early 20s doesn't cut it anymore. So even if your first home was a great fit at the time, it's completely okay if it doesn't meet your needs now. It's all a part of the growing process and adapting to life changes. And who knows, your next home might just be even better suited to the next chapter of your life. So please don't stress. Your first home is not your dream home. Again, your first home is less likely to be your dream home because often when we are buying or building our first homes, we are likely to make some mistakes here and there, okay, due to lack of experience. When you're new to the world of home ownership, it's very easy for you to overlook some common red flags, particularly when you go viewing some properties. There might be issues with the foundation, there might be issues with plumbing, there might be issues with unevenly tiled floors, issues with the door. These are all things that you're likely to miss, particularly if it's your first time building or buying. Okay. Additionally, you might just not be aware of the importance of a thorough home inspection or the need for you to do a thorough research into the neighborhood that you're building your house in or even buying into. It partly explains why the first house you buy is less likely to be your dream home. There's a way to go around all of this, particularly when you're buying or building your first house. And that's for you to even talk to a real estate broker. You can always get in touch with me if you need assistance with buying your house in Accra, Ghana. I will guide you through the process to ensure you're able to make an informed decision. Okay, so I need you to keep this at the back of your mind. Your first home is just your starter home. With time, you upgrade. Okay, you get your dream home. So don't worry if you're not able to afford, that big dream home you've always wanted. With time, you upgrade. And I'll always be here to assist you in that regard, right? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What's your experience like so far as buying your first home is concerned? I would like to know that. If there's any other video you'd like me to do, please do let me know in the comment section below. If this is the first time you're joining me, hello, welcome, and thanks for joining. Please subscribe to the channel just so you don't miss any of the videos that I'll definitely be uploading here. I have special deals coming up for you. You don't want to miss that, so do subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my goodness, thank you so much for joining me. And do like and share and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. My name is Sophia Fosua, your trusted real estate broker and investment advisor. I'll see you in my next video. But while at that, please enjoy more of the videos we have on my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Hello, it's Afia Fosua here. You know what time it is? It is show time. Today I am taking you to a breeze, so come with me. This titled land measures 56 acres and it's at Ibrikitasi, a town in the Ikuapem South District of Ghana. Ibrikitasi is just some 52 minutes drive away from central Accra, and it shares borders with Beduase, which happens to be one of the main entry points if you're moving from Accra to Ikuapem. Let me show you a map of Ibrikitasi. So that's Ibrikitasi. You can Google just so you can have a better perspective. This land, as I mentioned, measures a whopping 56 acres. It's a vast land. Let me show you how serene and peaceful this enclave is. This is breathtaking. Ibri is renowned for its lush greenery, cool climate, stunning views, making it very attractive for you. As you can find key results and other developments that contribute to Ibri's charming appeal. You can find the Hillberry, you can find the Beduase Valley Resort, amongst a host of other beautiful ones too. I have in my past videos mentioned that before you buy into a location, okay, you may want to look into what's in the area now. What does the future look like? If companies have seen the need to invest millions into a location, oh my goodness, that means one thing. It means that they see potential, there's money in there, so do your research and go tap into it as well. I will, in subsequent videos, do special videos on land banking. And I'll give you 5 locations to look into if you're looking forward to buy some land now, just so you can cash out later. So be sure to subscribe to the channel just so you don't miss that video when I do upload it. If you love money like I do, please, this is the channel for you. My name is Afia Fosua, and I am all about helping you make money and build generational wealth through real estate. And so this is a channel for you. Be sure to subscribe just so you don't miss that video. Now, how did Ibri even get here? It took the likes of ex-President Kufuor and other government officials to move in here, and boom, the land bubble set in. I was actually showing my mom this video and she was shocked at how much Ibri has transformed over the years, because this is where she is from. She grew up here. Before, you wouldn't even buy land here if it were given to you for 5,000 cedis. Now the whole place is so transformed because, you know, some people moved in here, and that's how the story changed. Okay, so if you love an area where that's serene, it has lots of green stretching as far as the eye can see, then Ibri is your dream destination. In Ibri, tranquility isn't just a luxury. In fact, it's a way of life. Ibri offers a lifestyle that's as enriching as it is serene. So you can build a beautiful house here. And if you love money like I do, please imagine having a beautiful resort on this land or in this enclave. Do you even see what I see? Like, imagine having a beautiful resort on this beautiful land. Like, I see money. You see land, but all I see is money. If you see money too, please let me know in the comment section below. Do send me a WhatsApp. Let's talk business, because that's all I am about. So Ibri is also home to various real estate developments, including residential estate, holiday homes, and commercial properties. These developments offer a range of housing options to suit different lifestyles and preferences, contributing to the town's growth and development.